Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Motorola G53. So we have a Google Lens feature here, so there is two ways to do it. I will show you both of them. So we have to start from opening the Google Photos. And now look for the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one. And if you want to search the Google for that, just click Google Lens. And now this picture is looking automatically for the similar or the same image, like this one. That was first method. Now the second one, you have to open the web browser and then go to the google.com. Sorry. google.com. Now it's very important step. Click on this three-dot icon and switch your web browser to the desktop side. We have to open the Google, and now just click on this little camera icon. Then tap on the upload file and add the permissions to the photos. Select the picture like before and click done. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.